Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's get together and cook a little okra. We're going to roast some today. I got some extra okra out my garden. They're going kind of crazy right now. So we got okra everywhere. So might as well roast a little bit. So I'm going to cut the butts and the tips off of them. Just take a little bit off like so. Put them on the side. I like to mulch mine, so I just throw them in a mulching bag to take out to my mulching bin later on. If you like this video, like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be alerted whenever I make a new video, because as I always say, you'll never know what I come up with next. So I went ahead and took the liberty of doing a few to show you, and here I am. I'm ready to go. All I'm going to do is take these okra and cut them in half. Just kindly chop them right in half. And if they're too big, just, give it a little cut one more time. Make a little okra french fry. Everybody likes a little french fries, especially down here in the South. Well, where I'm from is deep south. I'm going to go ahead and cut all these up, and I'll get back with you as soon as I'm done. Welcome back. Still have a few to get done. Just going to take them and split them in half. And in half again on the bigger ones. Of course, the smaller you cut them, the less time it takes to cook. Ooh, I can't wait. These are going to taste so good. I could taste them now. Just about ready. We're about to get that in that bowl, and we're going to mix that up with a little olive oil. Well, in my case, I use canola oil. We'll give us some of these Cajun seasonings here that we got going on. I'll show you those very shortly. And just to let you know, I'm not sponsored by any of the seasonings I'm about to use. It's just your natural seasonings from Walmart. Just about got these all cut up. We're about to put them in the bowl. Add our flavors and our seasonings to get them ready for the oven. And here we go. Here's our bowl of okra. Kindly put them in there. And we'll get the rest of this stuff right here. Put it in our mulching bin. Yeah, you already know. Future okra seeds. More plants. And we'll have our okra here. And like I said, I use canola oil. I have it in this cute little squeeze bottle. So we're going to coat the oil up real good. Then I got some salt. I'm going to crush up on top of that. A couple little squirts. Nothing much, just for taste. Got your little black pepper. I'll crush that up a little bit. Ooh, boy, that's smelling good. All these seasonings are so yummy. And as I said, I'm not sponsored, but hey, gotta have that Tony Sasseries. Put a little kick, a little pop, a little pep in your step. And I got the onion powder. And yes, this is definitely powder. Put a little powder on there just for taste. I got a little garlic powder. that on top of that. Of course, I don't measure, as you can tell. I just do it when I think it tastes good. We'll get that a bit of a mix. Coat that up real nice. Oh, you look at that. That's so good. Look how yummy. Oh, man. Yum, yum. Can you taste it already? Boy, that'd be good just like that. I find it a bit dry, maybe because of the seasoning. So I'm going to pop a little bit more oil in there. Mix that up real good. You get your flat pan. Of course, I got one ready to go. We're going to give our hands a little rinse. Fry them up a little bit. And here I got my pan ready to go. Just a flat cookie sheet pan, something you can put in the oven. Putting it in the oven for 450 degrees. I'm going to go about 15-20 minutes. Just go ahead and spread them all out on your pan. Make sure they're not on top of each other. Because who wants French fries stuck to each other, right? Or in this case, okra fries. You can just spread them all over the pan. Get them all nice and flat. It don't matter if you put them seed down, seed up, skin down. They're all gonna cook. It's 400 degrees. Something's gotta cook, right? All right. Oh, is that looking scrumptious or what? Looky here, looky here. Preheating our oven at this time. Give our hands another little wash. Got to keep them hands clean. Seasoning gets them in the cuts and does a little burning. And I'll take you over to the oven right quick. We're only at 315 degrees. So we got a couple more minutes to wait. When it gets to 450, I'll take you back and we'll get her in the oven to see how it looks. 3 hours later, we're still waiting. Almost there. 5 more. We're ready. 450 degrees. Let's put them delicious okras in that oven. Ooh, that's gonna look some good when we done. 20 minutes later, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, that time has come. Let's see what we made. Ooh, baby, would you look at that? Yummy. Okra fries. Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. How to bake okra. Have a good day. And remember, like and subscribe, because you never know what we're going to come up with next.